welcome to my vlog. So today, I will show you how to cook tinola. Tarat na! Let's prepare garlic, onion, and ginger first. And next is chicken. Let's remove the malunggay leaf. And finally, fill the sayote. Garlic, onion, ginger, sayote, malunggay, and chicken. First, let's heat the pan. Put some oil. Let's start sauteing the ginger first. When it browns, we will add the garlic mix. Lastly, the onion. We can add the chicken and saute and wait for it to turn light brown. So, it's already light brown. Let's add 3 cups of water. Wait for it to boil for a few minutes, then let's cover it. Let's open it. When it boils, add some seasoning like salt and magic syrup. When the taste is okay, let's put the sayote and wait for it to soft again. It's already soft. We can now put the malunggay. So delicious. Thanks for watching.